Got my digital lux meter here. We're gonna try to measure how bright these devices can go when it's being used outdoor. Okay, we're gonna go to the screen tester here. We're gonna go straight to the white background color. Make sure this is 100%. Okay, go to the white color. Here we go. So we've got both devices white color, and we're gonna try to see what kind of reading we get out of this devices. All right, so I hope you guys could see the numbers from up there. Okay, so here we go. So 750, 765, 67, 770. So we are set, the screen display is set to automatic. So it looks like we were reaching there around 820, 841 I saw there. 850, wow, okay, that's quite bright. Now we go to the S10 Plus. Oh wow, not as bright. Whoa. That's quite odd. Not as bright as the 6T, guys. I thought the S10 Plus has the brightest screen display. Okay, let me check the settings again. Make sure that we got this correctly. Screen display, we got the adaptive brightness on. If we do manual, let's see what kind of performance we get if it's manual. Okay, so similar number, guys. Similar numbers. So that is quite odd. I was expecting the S10 Plus to be much brighter than the 6T, but it is not the case, guys. So that is really, really weird. All right, so let's just go to the screen display here. S10, and we got the 6T screen display. All right, we go to the 6T again. I mean the S10 Plus. So we're reaching oh, there we go. We're reaching like over 1,000 there. Okay, 6T. Okay, so that is strange, guys. When it comes to wallpaper or just the main menu of the device, we're getting over 1,000 on the S10 Plus. Whereas the 6T, we're like getting around, what was that, 7 or 6? Okay, so there you go, reach 1,000. $60 once again. We're at $400, that was the highest. Yeah, 400, 500. Okay, so that is quite strange, guys. Let's go to open another app here. Okay, we got, let's see, if we could open another app. We'll go for telephone. See what kind of numbers we're getting here on the phone, since we use the phone to call. So as you can see here, we are reaching 1,200 plus on the S10 Plus. Okay, for the 6T, we are reaching around 700, 800, 800 plus. So let's see what else we can use here. All right, so As you can see, the S10 Plus does have the brightest screen. If you stack it up with the 6T, you could actually see it with your own eyes against the sunlight. The S10 Plus is quite bright here when using outdoor. The 6T is not too bad, you could still see it, but it's not as bright as the S10 Plus. So let me just move around again a little bit here. But again, on the camera monitor here, guys, I could hardly see the screen display on both devices. So it doesn't really justify the experience, what I'm experiencing right now. So that's pretty much it, guys. Once again, thank you for watching. Until then, I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.